Hello and thanks for watching my How Do I video, where all the videos are very short and very specific. In this video here, we're actually piggybacking off of earlier video, and we're going to fix these names. What we did before is we took these columns here, or this column, and we split apart the name into some usable parts. But now we want to figure out how do we put the first and the last name back together. Now we're using the solution for names, of course, but this works for any set of data. What we're going to do, we're going to put first name and the last name like we would normally have it. First name, space, last name. So we'll go over here to H2. I'll click on that, and I'm going to use the formula concatenate. So I'll type in equals concatenate, and then a parenthesis. And I want to do the first name first. So I'll click there, and then a comma. And then the next thing I want to put is a space. So I have to do that with a quotation mark, because a space is like a little object. So I have quotation, space, quotation. That's going to put a space there. And then another comma. Then I'll select the last name here, and then close parentheses. So my concatenate looks like that, and there we go. And so I can take this right here and drag it all the way down, and we've got all of our names just like we wanted them to be. Of course, what if I realized that I actually wanted to include the middle initial after all? All I have to do is just change the formula a little bit. So right here I have the first name, comma, and then I have a quotation mark for a space, comma, the last name. All I have to do is put in the middle initial. There we go. But that's not going to work necessarily. And the reason why is because I need spaces. In real life, we have spaces. So I'm going to do F2 as a first name. There's a comma there. Then I'm going to do a quote, a space, quote, and then another comma. G2, that would be the initial. So I'll go to the other side of that after that comma. And then I'll do another quote, space, quote, and then a comma. So now I have F2, which is a first name, a space. G2, which is a last name, a space, and then, or the middle initial rather, and then the last name. And when I hit enter, it's just like I want it to be. Now I can take this formula and copy it down, and there we go. I have everything just like I wanted them to be. Now, if you needed to figure out how you get from here to here, I have a video for that. You should look back in the video library and find it. It's pretty close to this one, and that will teach you how to take from here to here, and then eventually to here. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos for other solutions. And if you have a suggestion for me, just let me know. Thanks so much. Take care.